Hey guys, how's it going? And today, what we're going to be talking about is the Swingline Optima 40 stapler. Yeah, I like this stapler. I really do. It is a really, really good stapler. It's not, I know the fad right now, the big thing is to have the electric staplers. I have a couple of those in different places, but this one is a heavy duty hand stapler that really does the job. It really does. I like it a lot. It's a little bulky. It's not compact. It's made for, I would say, a large desk, you know. It may take up a little bit of room. That's kind of the downside of it. And it's kind of heavy. You're not supposed to really be carrying it around anyway. It's supposed to be stationary on your desk. That's the only downside I would think that people would see about it, but it staples really good. It staples it holds up to 105 staples in here. That's a lot. That's pretty good. And what's cool is you push this button and watch that. Oh, I like that a lot. I could play with that all day. Yeah, I like that. You just put them in there. Put this back. Yeah, and you're ready to go. This is a very hefty, handy stapler that really makes for good staples. Yeah, see? It can do, get this, it can do up to 40 sheets of paper at a time. Now, have you ever tried to staple 40 sheets of paper? That's a lot of paper. That's pretty thick. It's like a magazine. That's impressive. I've never tried to do 40 sheets of paper in here, but it can do up to that. I've done about 25 pages with no problem. Yeah. It takes a lot less effort to use this one or this design, the big handle in the front and, like this. It's easier to use one like this than the traditional staplers, the ones that are kind of like missing all this part and it just has like this part and you just push this down like with your thumb or with your this gives you that leverage, that pushing power, that makes it penetrate really deep and hard. Yeah, it's a pretty good stapler. I like it. Like I said, the only downside I see to this whole gizmo here is the bulkiness of it. It's pretty big. It's kind of, it's not something you kind of can tuck away. And that's the only real downside to it. It's an office supply and it's supposed to be on your desk. And if you got a lot of really large amounts of stacked paper that need to be stapled, this is your guy. You need to get something like that. You wouldn't be doing that with one of those little tiny staplers. Like I said, it's kind of heavy, so you're not going to take it along with you on your travels or anything like that. If you work on the road and everything, you probably need a more compact one. It's a good stapler, and it's fairly quiet, and it's sturdy. You're not gonna worry about it not going like this or like that when you're pushing down on it. That's why I think it's heavy, because it is made to stay in place and be strong, sturdiness. Yeah, it's very good. I like it a lot. That one downside, and I'm not really keen on the color that this is. I've had this stapler for about a year now. It was a gift. I like it. I mean, it does everything I need to do, but it doesn't really go with the things that are on my desk. Because, I mean, it's kind of odd color. I mean, orange, what is that? Dark gray and light gray and gray. I mean, I think I probably would like it a lot better if this orange was just a black or a white or even a gray, stay with the grays. But I don't know, it's kind of strange to me that they would just throw an orange in there. I don't know, that's just my opinion. But yeah, I mean, otherwise, it's a pretty good buy. Get a lot of wear out of it, and it hasn't let me down. Really does me good. Yeah. So, okay, well, that is the Swingline Optima 40 stapler. I really hope you guys use this information, and I will see you next time. Okay? Bye.